Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we taking two circles. It depends upon which direction are you choose for making this 3D model, because choosing the direction, X from front, from choosing the view, which view are you using for making this tutorial is very important. So we take a two line, then this distance is 1 mm, no sorry, this distance is 16 mm, and total length is 75. First we are using wait a minute, calculator. 70 plus 75, and this distance is 145. Then add this circle dia, sorry, minus 9. Oh sorry, we removed that one. Okay. And this distance is 136. Now now this this distance is 54. Now this distance is 54. Wait a minute. Where we are 69. Extrude how much height? This height is 16. At a 16 distance, this extrude, again we using extrude command. Select this circle, and this circle height is 21 mm. Okay, now when this one is made, now select this face, and we are making another profile. Take a line, infinite line. Take a circle, two circle. One circle dia is 60, another one is 30. This dia is 60 and this one is 30. Now connect this line, take another line, connect to this one and this one. Okay, after doing this distance from the center, that is given is 90. We tangent this line to the circle, and this one to this line to this circle. Now it is fully constant. We trim this one. After trimming circle, now we are extrude it. Extrusion is, I think, is inside, and extrusion of 16 mm. Extrusion is 16 mm. I think we make a circle on that time. On that time, I think I don't trim the circle. If I am not trimming on that time, it become perfect. Now exit. Now I am extruding this one. extrude boss. Sketch 1, take your offset of how much distance. Offset distance is 16 mm, but 16 mm, how now it total distance is 25. Guys, are you understand? Take this plane. Now after taking this plane, we are sketching this one. Be careful while you are making this profile. Now many person are stuck in this profile while made in this profile, because uh, when they are using the rip command not working properly, it show an error. uh, okay, follow my tutorial how I made this profile, then you can practice at your end, at your laptop, at your PC. Now it die is 60 16. It dies 50. This line connect to this. Now connect this one. Tangent, tangent, trim. First, during making the rib, don't make other things, because while you are taking another circle and you are doing rib, it may be a chance it's so an error. But to avoid the small mistake errors, so please follow my tutorial. That way I am making this distance is 45. Okay, height is 65. This distance is not giving wait a minute. Okay, it is 75. What I am missing? Click this one. That our profile is not fully defined. We delete this one. Okay, that is 70. Okay, use rip command, move inside. Okay, this is how perfect this rib I made, because there is a another way, but you are making the there is many chance to show an error. So, now we are making circle and complete our 3D model. Die 16. Wait a minute. Rib distance is 10. Rib distance is 30. I not. If it is 30, it is 24. To the 14, I think both is. We added the rib and this distance is 15. Extrude, sketch plane, offset, 10 mm. No, there is a gap. Wait a minute, I think. Okay, I understand. This distance is 15. Okay, now our profile is complete. Thank you, guys.